Analog circuits. Analog circuits are usually complex combinations of operational amplifiers, resistors, capacitors, and other fundamental electronic components. What is a operational amplifier? Remember, operational amplifier is a very high gain voltage amplifier which can amplify both AC and DC. So operational amplifier can amplify both AC and DC signal. It is an integrated circuit constructed mostly out of transistors and resistors. An analog circuit is a circuit with a continuous variable signal. For example, class B analog audio amplifiers, an analog computer, function generators, etc. As shown in this circuit diagram, this is the solution of a differential equation with an analog computer, and these are the operational amplifiers, these are the capacitors, and these are the resistors. So this is a analog circuit. You see, this is a function generator, circuit of a function generator in which you can produce different types of waves. This is the circuit diagram for triangular and square wave, and this is also an analog circuit, and this is your operational amplifier, capacitor, resistor, etc. So analog circuit consists of basically your operational amplifier, capacitors, resistors, etc. Then what is a digital circuit? A digital circuit is designed by using a number of logic gates. Remember, digital circuit is designed by using a number of logic gates on a single integrated circuit. You have different type of logic gates like OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate. So using these logic gates, we basically design the digital circuits. Digital signals are discrete bands of analog levels. In analog signal, you have continuous variable signals. But in digital signals, the signal is not continuous, it is discrete or stepwise. Examples of discrete circuits are half and full adders, half and full subtractors, multiplexers, demultiplexers, decoders, encoders, etc. What are the difference between analog and digital circuits? Analog circuits are electronic circuits which are in physical form, but digital circuits are the electronic circuits performed by some other control program. Analog circuits are typically routine made and they don't have flexibility, but digital circuits have a high degree of flexibility. The output of analog circuit give analog signal, but the output of the digital circuit should be in analog form. That is why you have to convert the output of digital circuit back to the analog signal. The designing of an analog circuit is difficult, but the designing of digital circuit is very simple. We basically design the digital circuit by a method called automation technique. Analog circuit is designed by irregular blocks. The blocks in the analog circuit are not regular, but in digital circuits they are designed by regular blocks. In analog circuit you cannot apply CAD, that is computer aided design, by using computers. So CAD tools are difficult to apply in analog circuits, but CAD tools have been extremely successful in digital circuits. In analog circuits, you have components having continuum of values. That is, you can vary the range of values in components. Suppose you are preparing an analog circuit and you are not getting a fixed value of the component. So you can slightly change the value range of the component. But in case of digital circuit, the components have fixed values. You cannot change the value of the components. In analog circuit, it helps to capture data from a system. So to capture data from a system in the form of either audio signal or video signal, you first require an analog circuit. But digital circuit help to analyze the data of a system. In analog circuit, there are very low electrical safety hazards. For example, in analog circuits, in FM radios, in television, in telephone, they have very low electrical safety hazard. And in digital circuits like your computers, smartphones, your digital clocks, they have no electrical safety hazards. Analog circuits are usually more susceptible to noise. Noise in analog circuit is more. What is noise? When unwanted electrical signals get coupled, it is called noise. So in analog circuit, noise is usually high. But in digital circuits, they are less affected by noise. If the noise is below a certain level, a digital circuit behaves as if there was no noise at all. Bandwidth. In analog circuit, the bandwidth is low. What is bandwidth? Bandwidth is the frequency range in which a signal can be acquired accurately. So analog signals have less bandwidth as comparable to digital signals. In digital signals, they have more bandwidth. So these are some major difference between analog and digital circuits. Thank you.